Hello everyone, you are welcome to this presentation as we will be considering the modeling of the single steel tank stand just like this. So this is what we are going to be modeling, and so stay tuned. Do wait to like the lesson. If you have any comment, drop it at the comment sections. Let us get started. Okay, so I want to be creating a new project, so I will go to the file tab right there, click on new. All right, so here is a new project. Okay, the first thing we need to do, we need to set out the grid. So go to the model tab, and then under grid, click right there, the drop down menu. I'll be using rectangular wizard grid. Click on next. I'll next that, next again. So in these provisions, I'll be using 2 meter by 2 meter that way. Okay, and I'll go next, irregular again, also have 2 meter by 2 meter, that is in the y direction. Click on next, next, and then click on finished to have my grid just like this. After having that done, come to level, click right there. We are going to be setting level now. So in the construction level dialog, click on insert, insert again. So we are having just 2 levels, all right, and it's going to be top of steel right there, top of steel. There will be no floors, all right. The first height from the foundations is going to be 6 meter, all right, and then the second height we'll be considering is going to be 0.9, right, just like that. Or we'll be using 1.2 meter for that, just like this. Okay, so we can decide to change this name right there. For the name for one, we are going to have it as TT, all right. Then for the name for 2, we have it as T arrow, just like that. Okay, for the source, you're going to be unique, all right. So after having this done successfully, okay, you click right there. So we are having only 2 levels. We want to start the modeling now. I will straight away click on the column right there. So in the column dialog, I want to be extending the column from level 1, the base level, to the first level floor right there. Okay, and characteristics is going to be columns. Scroll down and make some changes there. Come down again, these provisions, I'll edit that. So I will be using this one, and then click on select, come to the section, edit the section as well. So have this circular CHX circular hollow sections. So I will come down to 219 by 6 mm thickness. I'll select that. Then this place I will change that from H to arrow, this one, and then I'll select that. So having selected that, I will change my steel grade to 275. All right, I'll place that here. That will connect the base and the top, just like that. So if I go to the 3D, so this is how it looks. This is what is actually intended. I'll go back to the base, then I will come to where I have level, yeah, then enable this level by expanding it just like that. So I'll double click to have the first level right there. This is the first level. So at this level now, I'll go to beam, activate beam by clicking on it right there. Scroll down to this universal beam. I will edit that. Go to UA universal angle. I will select that. That is what I will be using right there. For the angle sections, I will edit right there, and then I will scroll down to universal equal angle. Then for the sections, I'll be considering 150 by 10 thickness for that purpose. I'll select that. Okay, let me check that again. It seems I've selected it wrongly, so I'll edit that again. Equal angle, right? Equal angle, and then I will use 150. Yes, no, that is it. I'll change the steel grade as well. 275. So that is just the necessary changes that I want to make. So I'll pick this point and take that right there, just like that. Mind you, this is level 1, the TT level. All right. So I'll also be having one here, just like this. So after having that done successfully, I will go to 3D. Click right there. So this is what we are supposed to be having. Okay, I'll be able to create a platform just like this. Okay, so for us to continue, I'll go back to TT level again. Okay, click on columns. I want to be creating a kind of railing which is going to connect the TT level to anti-arrow level. You can see it right there. So I will scroll down and then make some necessary changes. Alright, the steel grade, I'll change it to 275, and for the columns, I'll be considering let me go back right there again. I'll be considering this one. I'll select right there. Okay, for this, I want to be using square hollow section edge, that one. So I'll be using thickness, this thickness 100 by 100 by 5. I'll select that successfully. After having that selected, okay, everything is fine. So I'll pick this point to place that. Pick that point right there. Pick this one. Pick this one. I will pick this one. Pick this one. Just like that. So after which I go to the 3D. So this is what I'm supposed to have. Okay. So I will select the. I'll select the support. I don't need support right there. Okay. I don't need support right there. So I'll click on delete right there to delete the selected supports. I'll rotate this way. Select the support. Select that one. Select that. Okay. Delete it right there. Alright. So having done that, I will go back to the beam. I'll make some changes here as well. I'll be using this one. Okay. For the section, I'll go to new. Be able to select these square sections. I'll be using 90. by 4. Select that. Then I'll need to now connect these beams just like this. So having done this, the next thing we'll be focused on is the ladder. All right, so for us to carry out the ladder successfully, we will go back to the base level, click right there, and we'll be picking a construction line right there. All right, I want to pick the center of this line, or I'll pick from this point. Okay, from that point I will pick the width of the ladder to be 600, just like this. Okay, that's the width of the ladder, and I'll locate the same point right there. Okay, having that grid lines right there, I will go straight away to columns, click right there, so it's going to connect the base and the TT level. Okay, so I will screw down right there, and then I can change the steel grade to be that. For the columns, we are considering it to be this design sections, and this is going to be, we're going to increase the sections from 100 to maybe 120. Okay, 120 by 6. I'll select that, and then I'll pick this point to place the standard. Okay, I'll go back to 3D right there. So this is what I'll be having. I'll be having something like this. For the rungs of the ladder, for the rungs of the ladder, what I will do is I'll go back to beam, select beam right there, and then I will be using SHX hollow. I can consider this or make it 100 by 100 section. So I'll select right there and pick 100 by 100 by 5 thickness. Click it right there. So what I'll need to do is I'll pick the first point, pick the second point inside the rungs, just like this. Okay, and for me to be able to get the next one, I'll be using copy. I'll select this one, right click, and then I can copy this. All right, or I can decide to select that one. Let me delete that off. I'll go back to beam again, then I'll make all the necessary changes right there. I'll start it from that point to that point to place the rungs. Then the next one is going to be at 300 mm interval, 300 mm interval. Supposed to have up to 600 right there. This point, I'll place it there. Alright, so having done this, I'll click the first rungs, go back to the edit tab and select it right there. Then I will pick it from there and then I'll take it up to 9 meter and place that. To fast track the whole thing, in order for me to fast track the whole thing, what I just need to do is I'll select this first ones, hold the control key, select the second one, just like that, and then I'll pick copy right there. I'm going to be copying from this point, take it to this point and place that, just like that. So I will just be placing it along the standard. I'll escape that, copy this again, just like that. Okay, so this is how to actually model a single tank stand of this kind. This tank stand is carrying only one tank, all right, just like this. So stay tuned. In the next lesson we maybe do an analysis of this as well as design. Stay tuned and bye for now.